Welcome back to the nightcap. Tonight we will be making a rosemary old fashioned. So it's going to be a typical old fashioned with a little rosemary kick, some different bitters, basic principles, but nice little drink on a Sunday afternoon. So we'll start out with the simple syrup. We use between 1/2 and 3/4 an ounce of simple syrup, just like any other old fashioned we make. Now the difference is today we're going to put some rosemary leaves in there, and we're going to use some hummingbird bitters, Old Forester. It kind of has some rose and citrus flavors, so just something to really pull out that savory scent and flavor of the rosemary. So there's your bitters there, and then now we're just going to put a little bit of orange bitters in there, probably just 1 or 2 dashes, nothing crazy. There we go, so 2 dashes on top of that. Next thing we'll do, because we did stick the rosemary in there, we're going to muddle it a little bit just to release the flavor in the simple syrup, get the sugar and the liquids with the bitters all kind of coming together for the flavor. All right, there it is. So after that, we will drop in the ice cube and then the bourbon. So here's the ice cube going down. Y'all have watched this enough. You know what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the bourbon in. Today we'll use Blanton's, but we're gonna do it in 3 separate pours. So we'll go ahead and get the 1.5 ounces of Blanton's, measure it out, and we'll do just a little bit and then start stirring. I'm telling you, this is the most important thing. You go to a bar, you end up getting an old fashioned and it comes back and doesn't quite taste right. A lot of times they put the ice in afterwards, they don't mix it in. The stirring of the ice really gets you a lot of good flavor, a lot of coolness in that. Also gets it more time for the bourbon and your bitters and syrup, simple syrup, to really mesh together like it should. So again, this is going to be a little bit more savory than your typical old fashions, but has some sweet kicks in there as well. And we'll get the final piece. Really, really, really big tip there. Again, can't overemphasize it enough. Get the ice in there and stir it. So there we go. We got that basically finished. So we're going to go ahead and get a nice little garnish in there. She's B. Clark. Cheers.